Hey, good morning. It is 8 o'clock and it is January 12th, and this is Crypto Trader. You can find me on Twitter at Crypto Trader. I just had a comment. Somebody said, go get a Twitter and teach and show us how to mine. And I'm like, okay, I got a Twitter. If you just click show more, you find all my details down there. Not just referrals and links and like that, but you also find software links to the software I use, links to the wallets I support, I really I use and I recommend. Yeah, so yeah, find me at Twitter at Crypto Trader. You see, if you look everywhere you look, you'll see at Crypto Trader _ Don't forget the underscore. I'm sorry, at Crypto Trader _ That's my Twitter. Now, let's look at what I've actually started this live stream for. This is we're gonna look at whether or not this is a bottom or not. With all these sell orders in and all, okay. What I will do is let me move this somewhere, and let's pull this over here. Okay. And well, actually, I didn't have to do that. Actually, I could have just did this. Oh, that's cool. All right, great. All right, I set that up like that. All right, now look, this is cryptocurrency market capitalization. Okay. And what you probably already do know is that this is coin market cap. And why haven't you switched over to Livecoin? Livecoin, it looks good, but it's not giving me certain information. It gave me the coin supply, but it's missing coin supplies. I think this is a good place to come for a quick look at the coin supply. But as far as being able to click on the coin and find the markets for the coin, it's very limited, I should say. Which is what I like to really use this stuff for. But coin market cap, now look, I clicked on the coin market cap, and what you see is there's $700 billion in the cryptocurrency market itself. How much of that is Bitcoin? 33.1%. Now, I know you're asking, like, what is this chart? Well, what happened is what you see is the price of Bitcoin. Market is entering the market. I mean, money is entering the market right now. You see, this is what they call accumulation. But Bitcoin is, the price of Bitcoin looks something like this. Okay. And what I figured it out was, I kind of figured out why that is. Why is there more money entering the market and the price of Bitcoin is falling? Well, the price of Bitcoin is not really falling. It's just kind of money is coming in, they're buying alts, and the money's leaving. And they're buying Bitcoin to buy alts, basically. So it's giving this us up and down. And these two charts right here, this is a 6-hour chart on this side, and this is a 4-hour chart on the other side. And what that does is just, this 4-hour chart, it looks just like the 6-hour chart. I mean, what's the difference? I mean, okay, let's pull a 6-hour chart out some more. All right, so I'm looking at the RSI over here too, and it's kind of like it's showing an uptrend, even though these are kind of evened out, but the RSI levels are not. But this kind of dipped and then kind of recovered a little somewhat. Let me pull this up some like this. This is what I'm looking at. This point right here versus this point right here. Okay. And if I double click on it, oops, get out of there. And you see I have my RSI adjusted to 80 and 20 instead of the normal 70-30, just to give me a better, that's just works better for the way my mind operates. I don't want anything touching these limits unless it's truly a limit. I don't want it crossing over and all that weird stuff. Right now, we're not on oversold level, so this technically isn't a bottom. It could be a bottom, but the fact that it has a head and shoulders in here tells me we're headed back up. Okay, but as far as the green that you see here, all right, I'm waiting to see a cross of these indicators I got listed here to really be sure that we're headed back up. Until I get a cross on the 4-hour, basically meaning I need something like this over here. If you know what this over here is, this is on the fourth. We ended up coming up like, here's another one right here. This is how they look right here. Let's see. They go like this, then they come back down. So this could technically be a cross, but then look, we ended up coming right back down. And this, what, we ended up going right back up. Then we went down, crossed, fooled you, thought you went short, you got short, and then it went back up on your ass, and bam, you lost money. If you trade by these moving averages, you may lose money. Don't think that these are the way you trade. They're just a way of filtering out some bullshit in hindsight. That's basically, this is a lagging indicator. All right. But what I'm just looking for a cross, just because I would love to see a cross, just to see if, you know. But other than that, we can't pop. There was a cross right here, and we could have been like, oh, we're going back up. We're going. No, we didn't. We went back down violently. We violently plummeted it right there yesterday. Okay, I remember when that happened. That nice bar was filled up. You know, that was on the 10th actually. That was the 10th, and this was the 10th, and now it's the 11th, and now today is the 12th. Oh, it's been that long. I've been looking at this bar. This is so fresh in my mind. I wasn't able to get my Bitcoin over to my Coinbase account fast enough. It's sitting there now, but I've been trading this quite successfully all through up in here. This is looking like we're heading back down. I'm not getting any kind of alert. Let's see. Yeah, we're going back down. I don't even know if I'm in a trade or not. Let's see. Yeah, I'm in one. So yeah, you probably want to get out your position right about here. So I'm gonna set a sell 130 limit on market. So yeah, let's go market. Okay, 630. All right. I want to buy Bitcoin for cheaper. I don't know about you. I mean, I want to buy more Bitcoin, so I always get out my position. It's that simple. Let's look and see how far this thing goes. If I was watching and not making a video, I would have probably got out right here. I don't know. I don't even know when I started this video. I got to go back in the history and look, but it looks like I would have been able to get out right here on this cross, but I can't tell you if that's true or not. I think I bought right here. I bought back in right here, and I could have just sold back out right there. No, actually, I bought back in down here. Actually, I caught it down here. So I'm actually good. Actually, this is not a bottom. Oh, this is not a bottom. That's my Twitter handle. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, we're headed down back to this nice good old trend line I drew. Anybody want to see what that looks like? Yeah, so if I would have obeyed the 10-minute, look at that, bam, we're touching it. Let's go back to Coinbase. Let's see what we're looking at over here on Coinbase. Now, bring up this over here, and you see that money is still flowing into this market. They're buying altcoins like crazy. This is what this is. These are altcoin buyers right here. Maybe they're buying Ethereum because the fork coming up. Okay, no, that's still low. I mean, but we're still green today. I mean, if you notice this is actually still green. Like, we're green. All right, we're green. Look at that. Ethereum. Oh yeah, we're going down, son. Oh yeah. Let's see how much more Bitcoin I can get. Let's go here. Oh yeah, that's a nice big ass, long ass goddamn. Sorry, excuse my language, but Jesus, look at that. Let's see, market buy 0.68. Should I buy here? It's turning green. Look at these sellers right here. Let's obey some of these signals I get over here. Like, this is a resistance line. I'm trying to figure out where we at. All right, here we are. This thing turned. This thing's triggered. What is this? 60-minute crossover. Okay. And let's see. Technical analysis. Yeah, this looks like we're touching something down here. This is a 3-minute chart right here. Bitcoin is still green for today, according to 13. I mean, I think it's pretty safe to buy back right here. If it goes any lower, oh, I'll get out again. It could go lower again. Look at that, 19. I got more Bitcoin than I had, or I got the same amount actually. I'm not sure what to say. These sellers are sure getting bought up. Is this a bottom right here? I got a lot of charts, don't I? I know this could be kind of confusing, but let me pull the what is this thing? Unhide. We're touching this thing again. I believe this is sort of like a place to really watch. I mean, it doesn't look like we're falling below it anytime soon for some reason, like you would think. It's hard to juggle between these charts, I'm telling you right now. I am telling you right now. My altcoin portfolio looks great. I hope yours looks great too. If you've been doing kind of like some of the trades that I've been actually doing, then you're probably doing good. I'm just testing that out in live mode. Buy, sell, buy, sell. What up, Monkins? I got the 200 and the 20. These are programmed averages right here. It's hard to explain these ones right here, but normally I use the 200, the normal averages. What the hell? Oh, there it is. These ones right here, and you see this is just below it, and we're just falling below it, and we're bearish because of it. Even though you just saw me buy, that's because I'm actively trading for more Bitcoin, which you see I just got the same amount after I traded it, 466.0466, which sucks. That sucked. Yeah, I got proprietary stuff going. I'm working on a trading bot, so I can't really give away everything. Some of this stuff I do have to sell. Do have to make a living, but my channel is definitely free. I don't care. I'm giving you a lot of information anyway as it is. I'll be real thankful if you guys just use my reference links down there below. That's great. But if this bot has been doing, I mean, right now I am the bot right now, but this is like the computer giving me the signals, and I'm doing the trades until I feel comfortable with the bot actually pushing the trades through. I am using TradingView, but I got some other virtual environments set up over here where it's actually doing some of the trades behind the scenes, but I don't like losing money, so look at that. Look at that. What do you think about that? I think this is looking like a bottom down there on this RSI. I'll pull it up a little bit so we can actually see it without these things getting in the way, these navigation buttons. That could have been, but this is, like I said, this is, I don't know if I've ever said this, but this is not like, this is the 3-minute chart, so this thing can do anything it wants to do. But if we go over to, like, say, one of these, like a 15-minute, let me get a good impression. That's a nice pushback though from down here. Where we keep returning to this area. Will we crash back through it? It's a sell, and I bought down here, so that kind of puts me in bearish mood. I'm in a bearish mood, so as soon as this thing goes up, I'm liable to sell back quickly. Like right now, this thing doesn't look too, you know, bullish in my opinion, and it does look like we're selling, so let's sell us some. I don't believe we're going any higher. So the best way to sell this is at a market for a loss of $3, because I'm losing $3 every time I trade this. Well, let's give it a wait for a second, because we did travel down for a while before I sell. We traveled away. Let's see. Got some comments down here. Okay. They got a lot of bots that you can buy out there that are already made. Like one that's been doing, one of my friends pretty good. He's been making about 1% a day. His name is Life by Adam. He has a channel. You can check his channel up. He mines too. He doesn't really trade because he works. This is like my full-time job. This is like I get paid to argue. But yeah, there's a lot of trading bots already out there that you can configure yourself. Now, I mean, I don't know how configurable they are, but it costs about 0.08 Bitcoin, something like that. Like probably like $1,000 get you started for one exchange. I gotta do my own thing. I gotta trade my own trades and put my trades into a bot. That's what I'm looking at here. This is a buy. What do you guys think? This is a buy? Yeah. What, I'm supposed to be the one to know, right? Do I really know? I mean, at $6. What is this? 626 bucks. I just bought it, so I wouldn't be aching to sell if I just bought it. This thing I have to fall even more for me to want to just sell it. But I mean, I don't listen to anything I'm saying right now. I just said something that don't make no sense. Hey, Mongoose, you making your own, huh? What framework are you? What APIs are you using? I'm not talking about the exchange APIs. I'm talking about like what kind of programming APIs you're using. What language are you using? What kind of packages are you using? I didn't know you program. Maybe that's why you tune in. This thing is reddish. It is a seller's. I'm looking to sell though, I'll tell you the truth, like I said before. Let's see. Let's go back here, back there, 28. I can't be too sure. These could be huffing and puff sell orders right here. Lab view. What programming language is LabVIEW? Oh, I see. Maybe I should go see what LabVIEW is and this thing refreshed on me. Let's see. Let me check out something right here. Sounds very interesting, Mark. It's very interesting. Let's see. If I pull this thing into, see what I do is I go here, I say, oh, let's go to a 1 day. And look, it's kind of like money's leaving the market. This is at 14. And this is probably zoomed in as much as you can go. 1 month. And I'll grab this. So we're kind of headed in a downward. How much money? Oh yeah, money left. Money left. Money has left the building. All right, let's see. I'm not sure how long to do this. I'm just interested in figuring out. Let's do this. Refresh. Let's see where we're at. 28. Okay, let's get over here. Now, almost sold there. I'd have lost money, huh? That's how hard it is to trade. If you can just rewind that part right there where I said I'm getting ready to sell and then saw me pause and just didn't sell, that's how hard it is to know which way the market is going. It's not something that is just easy for anybody to do. It's easy for no one. There's only like 1% of people in the world that actually, it's like a pinhole, right? That pinhole in a circle, like let's lay a basketball, right? You know, there's a little pinhole where the air can go in. That whole basketball is everybody failing in their trades, and that little pinhole, that's the successful. That's where the only successful traders enter. everyone else, hey, I swear everyone else is failing. That's how hard it is. Look at that red candles coming. Ooh, look, it just took a dive. I don't know. This is a 3-minute chart. I'm not really sure how to play, but like I said, I'm bearish right now. As you see, this is just a bearish. I should have just sold right here like I was thinking about doing. But there's a RSI indicator telling me different down here, saying, hey, this is not really a move. This is not strength. They're selling into weakness. I mean, I don't know how to explain it. It's not a real professional way to say it, but they're selling and it's weak. It's weaker compared to this point right here. And we're already back down there. So there's going to probably be some buyers right here pushing this thing back up, unless it touches this 20 line again on this candle. And we got 34, 32, 31 seconds left. Oh, LabVIEW is a programming language. It's a graphical programming language. It's $1 billion industry, right? Yeah, I wish it was $1 trillion. Well, I can't wait till it is a couple of $1 trillion industry, because that's what I'm riding on. I'm actually putting my money into this because I know it's going. We're headed to a couple of trillion, like 7 trillion at least, 9 trillion at least. And when we get to that point, I'm probably gonna retire rich as hell. You too, Monkins. If you're in this like I am, you're gonna be. Man, we're gonna be making some trading bots or something, man. I don't know. I gotta go check out this LabVIEW programming language, visual programming language, graphical programming language. Okay, sounds pretty interesting. Really interesting, actually. Am I trading right now? I'm actively trading right now while I'm doing a market analysis. That's crazy, right? We're green. We're green. There's a coin out there to check out too. I'm gonna just throw this out there, so you know I don't never sleep on anything. There is a coin out there. Where is it? Let's see. Here it is, right here. RLC. They just listed it on Binance, but it's also listed everywhere else, so don't get all crazy or nothing. But it is like something to look forward to, I suppose. I like to make money first off. Like, it's negative 23%. It's probably going to go positive 23%. So if you buy right now, you're probably good to go. It's one of them types of let's see. I don't want to mess my chart up over here. Let's try the new live coin. See if it tells us the coin count on this RCL. See that RSI, you gotta respect the RSI. See, out of all the problems that you can have, if only you know how to use this RSI, you'll be so great. It's the relative strength index. I'm pretty sure you know. Let's see. If you don't know, just go Google how to use the RSI effectively. Convergence, divergence on the RSI. All right. Price in relation to price. A lot of people say it doesn't work with Bitcoin. I don't know, because Bitcoin's so volatile that, you know, you got to really be. They said that the part of the RSI that doesn't work with Bitcoin is the the overbought and the oversold levels. But I found that the price convergence does work, but I don't really think these overbought and oversold levels are reliable. So yeah, I kind of do agree with what everybody else is saying out there. Cardano's up. That's what I'm talking about, Marcus. That's right. You got most of the alt tokens I have promoted, right? HTML, Dragons, Coins, Dragon Chain, I'm sorry, and CAP, CAPP. That's one that sticks out for me. Let me see what I got down here. App coins. Oh, you meant to say app coins, huh? Yeah. App coins, yeah. Is that ALT coin? I never really promoted. You should go check out ALT before it's too late. All right, I typed it down there so you can see. It's alt. That thing is like, man, look, I'll pull up the coin. ALT, I'll pull up the coin for alt. I love the way this interface looks though. These guys look like really literally making their interface look good. Now look, I can't even, you see what I'm saying? Where is the coin count? Now I come down here and I'm like, okay, where is the coin count? I don't care about any of this stuff, man. Now you see this is fake news right here. Look, alt BTC, Cryptopia 152. It's saying also all LTC. You can't do LTC orders right now on Cryptopia, so this should be X'd out, not Bitcoin. Now, the price is 50 bucks. Yeah, right. This is bullshit. All right. This thing, I couldn't use this reliably if you paid me. I should be logged in. There's a lot of problems with this site. Let me see. ALT. Help me out. Help me out. Help me out. There it is down here. Now I've actually got the max supply on here. So look, max supply, this is actually the actual max supply for all. And it's the market cap is $0 on this site. This is not true. This is one everybody's sleeping on. It does what I just talked about this yesterday, so just go check it out, man. Go get you some. If you got some dough, get you some. This thing is can't get can't do anything but appreciate in value. Even though I'm losing money on it right now because I didn't buy it when it was 50. The other day when I looked at it, I was like, oh, it's $46, and I was like, I'll just wait. I'll go buy some. I had to wait because I had put my money in some other alts and I didn't want to move it around, so I had to wait. So now that I got the money, it's like, oh, I can't get it. All right, now let's go look at the coin count for something else. Let's see, RCL. Now, no matches found. All right, get out of here. You have not helped me at all. Let's see if Coin Checkup can help us out. All right, look, it went off. This is a 3 minute. Yeah, 3 minute. That went off on a 3 minute. That's a good sign because I'm actually bought down there. So that's all I care about sometimes is making the right call. I kind of make the right call. I don't know. I should change my name to my channel to the right call. I pride myself in making the right call. Actually, I hold myself to a real professional level when it comes to calls. I'm not going to put something out here and the calls will be like all garbagey. Like a lot of YouTubers out there, some of the stuff that they review and talk about, they're all like just, I don't know how to say. Some of them, not everyone. I don't know if they really understand what they're dealing with. Like me and you, Marcus, we understand what we're dealing with. I think if you are a programmer, you kind of, you kind of understand what's happening. This is not to be you got to kind of have a little geek side to you to make some real dough in these next coming years and these next coming eons. All right, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna just say for the rest of the human endeavors, you just like, if you don't know this stuff, it's like, this is gonna be like learning the alphabet again. Like back when we learned how to write, that's what this stuff is right here. We're learning. I mean, we're developing like a new language. You know, it's kind of crazy as that sounds. It's the truth. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. RLC. iExec. See, coin checkup, man. You ain't letting me down once. But I never showed you guys this, but on coin checkup, I can click trading view, and the stuff that's not on trading view comes up on trading view right here. Look at this. This is a buy. It's already been up here. Like I said, it's negative what? 7%. Watch this. I'll type RCL. Look, it says iExec. Actually, this is on trading view. It's iExec. It's a cloud. Like, I don't know. Amazon has cloud services. This is a cloud servicing blockchain somehow. It's red. They're selling it. They pumped it. They're selling it. How much more can they sell it? You know, anytime I see something just enter something and then it gets this pump, like what day was this, the 12th? I tend to buy. Like right up in here. That's what I do. I don't know about you guys, but I tend to buy these. It might fall back down to $2. All right, so you might buy it at $2. I'll probably buy it at $4. All right, so it's still at $2, $3, $2.50. Okay, it's turning red. It's been getting sold. Somebody bought a shitload down here. Okay, and they're selling it till they can't sell anymore. Okay, until the buyers run out. We're the ones buying it right now. Or everyone that knows right now. Oh, Isaac, RLC just entered Binance. All right, let's go look at the markets. Okay, so it's already on tons and shitloads of markets. They're the last ones to get it. We should have bought this when it was $1, but I didn't know about it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've been looking at Binance real deeply, and look at this coin. This coin is everywhere but Binance. So it hits Binance today. Let me X this out. And what happens? Let me pull up another coin market cap window. And what happens? Tron is below Neo now. What happened? Tron, I already knew that was going to happen. I'm just wondering how Ripple's stand up right now with all the Koreans. The Koreans are mad. They over there mad as hell about that Ripple stuff because they've been the ones buying it. Let's do this. RCL. iExec. See, RCL doesn't pop up over here, but iExec does. I mean RLC. I said RCL. That's why I've been messing up. It's RLC. Okay. Coin supply. All right, that's where I messed up at too. Closing windows too fast. Closing these windows too fast. Okay, here it is right here. It popped up. See, RLC. I typed the wrong thing in. Oh, I've been giving live coin watch mad problems. Look, 70-some%. It's at 3. I don't know. This is the weekly. Of course, it looks like this on the weekly. If this was not the weekly, I don't know. I'm gonna keep that like that. But if this wasn't weekly, a weekly chart, it wouldn't look like that. It's $4. It's actually down. Market cap is only 316 million. Maximum supply of the coins is pretty low for this low market cap. I don't know if this market cap is real. Let me go back to my trusty RLC, my trusty coin checkup, which I didn't do an analysis of the coin facts and figures. Okay, where's the market cap on this thing? Is the market cap is 300 million. It has about a third of that in volume today, in the last day. Proof of work and proof of stake. It's on the Ethereum blockchain. What I'm trying to see if they actually prototype. Okay, prototype. That means there's a working project. And there's a work. Something's working. It's not in develop. It's not, you know, no. There's no project. Prototype is pretty decent. You know, working project is a better one. You know, demo is good. If it says just an idea though, I would stay away from it. I would definitely stay away from it. All right, this is Cardano ADA. Look at that number. God damn, and it's 2 cents, right? Okay, they're working project, fully working product. Okay. All right, let's get out of here. We got, that's the actual number right here. This is the actual coins right here. This is the actual thing to buy right now. It's going up. Let's see if we can get another picture of how this price looks. It looks like this. Could you buy it at $3.75? Would you? How many coins would you get? The price of this is probably going, you know, depending on how many of these billions of dollars. If $2 billion enter this, 1, 2, 3, 6 times your money right here. All right, 6 times your money. If you want to 6 times your money, buy this right here, RCL. RLC. Six times your money with RLC, monkeys. Are you watching? If anybody's not watching, then it's over with. All right, let's check this out. How do I do this here? I secretly embedded a coin call out again. People are gonna be mad. It seems like I'll put the best ones inside of my coin call outs. This thing ain't going no higher. If it's gonna stay stuck right there, I might as well get the hell out of Dodge. Where's my thing at? Oh wait. I might as well, because I don't too much like what I'm seeing. Let's see. Buy 31. That's a sell order. Get the hell out of Dodge. I don't like anything that stalls at the top like that. I get like, you know, I get warning spider sense signals that just go off and I just get triggered instantly. Yeah, I don't even care if this had a bunch of buy orders down here. It didn't make no sense. If it flips around, I'm probably gonna buy back in, losing $3 again. I'd rather lose $3 than to lose 50. That's the thinking behind these dumb trades that you see me putting up here. Buy sell. Monkins. That's my buddy boy. We gotta work on these this live view stuff. I'm gonna check that stuff out, man. I got one of your messages too. You told me to check out something. You sent me an email. Appreciate it, Marcus. Appreciate you tuning in. Appreciate you always showing up, man. I really do. I really do. Maybe we can help each other build a bot that make us billionaires or something, you know. Let me go ahead and hit this off button. As far as the coin market cap goes, money is leaving the building. It came in down here on the 12th at 9 UTC time, and now it is trying to exit the marketplace itself. Not all coins, but it's leaving the actual market. But it's how much of it's leaving? Not that much. Let me hit reload. Let's see what it looks like now. Oh, it came in. Some more came in. I guess this little, whatever this looks like over here, is not as accurate as you want it to be, since this is coin market cap. But this number is probably more accurate. 5 billion entered back into the market. This thing should look like 5 billion entered the market, right? I can't zoom in any closer than that. That's it. That's all I got. 703, 707, 707. That is funny. 711, 719. So we were at 719, 15 UTC. All right, I'm getting redundant over here, so I guess I will cut this short, and you guys take care. Oh yeah, make sure you go find me at Crypto Trader. All right. Maybe this is a bottom. We don't really know, okay? Don't think I know, because I know just as much as you know. This could look like, you know, everything getting ready to sell. All right. That's why I got out of there. All right. And I sold before everybody else got ready to sell. Okay. What I did. Now this probably may turn all green buy orders. We really have no true way of detecting that. Where is the true value? The value is down here. We all want to buy down here. So what's holding us up? The sellers. The sellers don't want to sell to anyone down here. Okay. That's how you got to look at it. Now I'm gone. Take care, guys.